a global secretive movement renowned for its enigmatic origins, diverse goals, extensive worldwide presence, and significant influence. While many people perceive her as Jewish or associated with global Zionist ideology, is she aiming to gradually take control of the world and strive to rebuild what she believes is the structure of Solomon? Is it a charity organization that seeks the welfare and betterment of humanity as a whole? Follow along with us. Freemasonry is a secretive Jewish terrorist organization with a mysterious and well-organized structure. It aims to ensure Jewish control over the world and calls for atheism, pornography, and corruption. She declined gifts from famous individuals. They pledged to keep secrets and engage in what is known as gatherings. For effective gathering, meticulous planning, and efficient task assignment. It was founded by Herod Agrippa in 44 AD. The Roman king, known for consulting his knowledgeable Jewish advisors. Hiram Abiud is the vice president, and Muablami is the chief of staff. Freemasonry has historically used deceit, disguise, and terrorism, where they chose symbols, names, and signs for deception and intimidation. They ceremoniously named their gathering the Temple of Osheli, to imply that it was the revered Temple of Solomon, peace be upon him, in homage and respect. The rabbi solemnly informed Kois that Freemasonry has Jewish roots in its historical background, and her teachings, her principles, and the secret words within them and in her explanations. Judaism from its inception to conclusion. As for the date of its appearance, it has varied due to its extreme secrecy. It is highly probable that it appeared in the year 43 AD. The secret force was named with the aim of persecuting, assassinating, and displacing Christians, and made sure their religion from spreading further. It was commonly referred to as the hidden power during the founding era, and for a few centuries it has been known as Freemasonry. To establish the Freebuilders Union as a comprehensive platform for effective operation. That is the first stage. As for the second stage of Freemasonry rituals, so it all begins in the historic year 1770 AD. Through Adam Weishaupt, the Christ who apostatized and led the Illuminati, he was secretly recruited by the powerful Freemasons to exert global influence. The project was successfully completed in the memorable year 1776 AD. He organized the inaugural gathering during this specific period. The Luminous Assembly is attributed to the devil they worship. They managed to deceive a multitude of 1,000 men, including senior politicians and intellectuals. They established with them the main assembly called the Middle East Assembly. And in it, these politicians were willingly subjected to serve Freemasonry, and they declared flashy slogans that hide their true nature. They deceived many Muslims. Adam Weishaupt was a German Christian. He passed away in 1830. The modernization and strategic planning of Freemasonry to adapt to contemporary times. The Italian Mazzini played a crucial role in restoring order following the passing of Whiteswit, ensuring that things were back on track. American General Albert Mike was honorably discharged from the army. He enforced his will on the population through the secretive organization of Freemasonry. He is putting the destructive plans into action. Lion Blum, the Frenchman responsible for distributing pornography. He authored a thought-provoking book entitled Marriage, Nothing More Disgraceful Than It. Baudelaire the Jew, author of The Dangerous Liaisons. Among their diverse personalities are also Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Voltaire, Georges Zidane, and Karl Marx, who have left a lasting impact on history with their unique ideas and contributions. Ideas and beliefs. They disbelieve in Allah, His Messenger, and His scriptures. They consider it nonsense and myths. They actively work on undermining religions and conspiring to overthrow legitimate governments, imposing control by abolishing national governance systems in countries, sexual exploitation, and the systemic use of women as a means of control, working on dividing non-Jews into conflicting nations based on ethnicity and religion, arming these parties and orchestrating incidents in order to entangle them further, inciting conflict and reviving sectarian and racist sentiments within a nation, undermining moral, intellectual, and religious principles, spreading chaos, lawlessness, terrorism, and atheism in society, with everyone, especially with those in sensitive positions, to recruit them for the service of Freemasonry. The end justifies the means in achieving goals. The unsuspecting person who falls into their trap is surrounded from all sides. Control and manage it according to their preferences. And he executes all their orders, the person who fulfills their desire to belong to them. They require him to detach himself from all religious, ethical, or national ties, and makes his unwavering loyalty pure to Freemasonry. He is facing a major scandal, and the consequences could lead to his demise. Everyone involved in the project benefited from it and no longer require it. They are diligently working to get rid of it by any means necessary. They seek to control the heads of states to ensure the implementation of their destructive goals, exerting control over influential figures in diverse sectors. To make their work integrated, control over advertising, press, publishing, and media devices, a potent and lethal weapon, broadcasting various news updates, rumors, and baseless conspiracies, until they become like undeniable truths that effortlessly sway the minds of the masses, making the truths glaringly apparent to all. Invitation inviting young men and women to indulge in various vices, providing them with reasons and allowing contact with relatives and breaking family ties. The call for rational choice and responsible family planning among Muslims. One Freemason is manipulating international organization control, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, international meteorological organizations, along with various student and youth organizations from around the globe. They have 3 grades. The blind young ones, referring to the novices who are new members of the Freemasons. Royal Freemasonry, an enigmatic society that intrigues only those who adamantly reject its tenets, his loyalty to his homeland, nation, and Judaism. And from this sacred ritual comes the prestigious nomination for the 33rd degree. Pinnacle of society, Universal Freemasonry's members are all Jewish. They are powerful individuals above emperors, kings, and presidents because they have the ability to influence and control them. And all the leaders of Zionism are from Freemasonry. Cosmic vibrations. They are the ones who strategically plan for the world in favor of the Jews. The new member is accepted into a scary, creepy, and strange atmosphere, where he is led blindfolded to the president's office. And as soon as he finishes taking the oath to keep the secret and opens his eyes, he is surprised by unsheathed swords. Around his neck and in his hands is the sacred book of the Old Testament. And surrounding him is a dimly lit semi-dark room. It contains human skulls and ancient wooden engineering tools. And all of this is done to instill a sense of respect in the new member, fostering a positive and welcoming environment. Freemasonry is viewed as a tool of Judaism by some historians. They deceive nations and manipulate ignorant people through it. Freemasonry linked to Islamic nation calamities. She is the mastermind behind all the revolutions that have occurred in the world. The group advocated for ending the Islamic Caliphate and removing Sultan Abdul Hamid, as they were behind the French and British revolutions. Joining Freemasonry exerts significant influence, abandoning all religious, national, or racial ties in pursuit of universal unity and understanding. And he surrenders to her alone. There are numerous secret movements going on. Their most famous book is the Book of Laws, written by James Anderson the Jew, The Beautiful Nature in the year 1723 AD. The ancient Book of Instructions from the year 1734 AD was discovered, copied by Dawood Casley. The Jewish roots of Freemasonry were diverted intellectually. In terms of goals, means, and philosophy of critical thinking, she is Jewish first and foremost. History did not know a secret organization more influential than Freemasonry.
She has a significant global influential leader she has trained.
So they became like dolls in her hands, afraid for themselves and for their chairs. Global presence with branches worldwide. These forums attract diverse personalities from around the world to ensure its strict control over it. Engage with global and youth groups for active participation. To ensure the flow of the world as you wish. Always ensure the decision is hers. Criticism of most media outlets, publishers, and journalism in the world. She holds the majority of resources and controls the means of production in the global economy. And they have well-organized terrorist gangs to carry out dangerous criminal operations to get rid of anyone standing in their way, intentionally or unintentionally.